Hello everyone, so this bed skirt will hopefully solve your problem of lifting heavy mattresses for changing bed skirts for washing. So let's see how I made it. So I'm using this cereal box to model a mattress and I will cut 4 pieces exactly the same size of its length and width, and I will hem the inner edges of all 4 pieces, and after that I will match the corner to the outer corner like this, and we'll pin up all 4 corners. The width of these pieces is up to you how much you want. For mattress it can go up to 6 inches wide, but here I just cut about 3 inches wide. So after pinning up all 4 corners, I will run a stitch on it. After stitching 3 corners, when I reach to the 4th one, I won't attach it to the other piece. I'll just run a stitch on that corner and we'll leave this corner open. So attach a button or hook or something on this open corner to keep it closed, and then find the middle of all 4 pieces and mark it or cut a notch here. After finishing marking all these 4 sides, take another piece of fabric and start attaching it from the open side of the top piece and make a pleat at the center, and grab about 4 inches of cloth for making 1 inch pleat on both sides. The width of this piece would be from the top of the mattress to the floor, so I'll show you how I made this. So fold that pleat in half, 2 inches on either side, and run a stitch on it. Now align that fold to the seam that you just sewed, and it will make the pleats the same size on either sides. So after making this pleat, attach it to the center of the top piece. And after that, this is how it looks. To make the overlap corners, turn it towards the short side and cut off the extra fabric that you have here. And of course later on hem the edge, and repeat the same process to the other side of the bed. To overlap the long corner toward the short one, just simply turn it toward the short side and run a stitch on it. So this is the last step. Take the measurement of the foot side of the mattress and measure the overlap part of the short side. Measure how much you overlapped to this side. The same you will overlap to the long sides now. So take measurement of that plus how much pleat you want to make. So that would be your total measurement for the foot side of the mattress. And this is how it's made. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe to stay connected.